Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations. Today, I just want to thank you for coming back to my channel. I am rebranding my whole new channel. I'm gonna start editing all kind of new things. I'm gonna start talking more and showing myself and showing the work and doing all kind of stuff. I've taken some time after what happened to my last channel to really look at some of these other YouTubers that are mechanics or doing the same type of thing, to see what they're doing and to see the people that have a lot of views compared to the people that don't really have very many views at all. And I'm gonna weigh the difference to make my channel more appealing to you. Because the more viewers I get, the more sponsors I can get, and the better entertaining my channel is for you. So, let's look. So, we got a whole new shop, a whole new studio. You know, our colors are purple and green. Everything looks fresh. We're getting everything put in and put up. Thank you for waiting and Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for following and viewing our channel. I really appreciate you coming to our new channel and subscribing. Like this video and share it with your friends. I'm gonna leave some links down below so you can get a hold of all three of our new channels. This here is the automotive channel where you're gonna learn all kind of automotive tools, skills. I'm gonna teach you everything. We're gonna build disturbing creations. I chopped the BMW in half to make a pull behind trailer. I bought a Porsche just to dump the Porsche engine and stick an Audi twin turbo engine inside it because nobody's doing that. I'm also going to be supercharging Mustang. We're going to be putting a whole race bike together, a 954 Honda. We're making that a drag bike. We are expanding. We are wrapping cars. We're painting. We're powder coating. I'm going to bring all this new stuff to you guys. And I'm just so happy that you are on this experience with me, because as much as we are growing, our channel is growing. And I am growing as well. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you all the skills that I've learned throughout time. And I just love showing everyone my creative ability, my artistic values, and that my mechanic skills. I love to build your confidence and save you money, because I love building my confidence and saving me money too. I mean, yeah. Pockets are kind of empty, so we need to make some money or save some money. Well, you're gonna save that money with me, I promise you. So, click the like button, click subscribe. I'm gonna be dropping videos a couple times a week. We got new editing, we got a cameraman now. It's not the old channel that it used to be where it was boring and I was just kind of talking about stuff and yeah, you put this bolt here and do that and do this and over here or there, there's one over there, there. Hey, there you are. Woo! Nah, man. I'm gonna bring you my great personality because I'm an entertaining MFer, man, you know? Plus, we're gonna have a podcast now, and I'm going to be bringing guests on the show. Also, we are going to have episodes. So, I am going to launch a bunch of small videos of tools, skills, basic mechanics, how to fix this and how to fix that. But in our new channel, we are going to start launching full 1-hour episodes. So I'm going to chop all these videos of me doing stuff up and make an actual episode. So it's gonna be kind of like one of those TV shows where you bring somebody your car and say, hey, what can you do with this? I can pimp your whip or monster my studio with Jesse James. You know what I'm saying? But you don't need all them. You got Damien, man. I could do it all. and I am going to be flipping, pimping, doing all kinds of stuff to whips. I'm gonna be rapping, painting, everything. I'm telling you, it's gonna be an amazing experience. And if you don't believe me, just watch this new intro because I'm learning how to edit and I'm bringing it to you. So pay attention or you're gonna be left behind. We're doing this. Disturbing Creations,